台湾的半导体技术这名声有影是通国际，来自中东的阿曼王国，伊是专工派学生来到咱台湾学技术。负责指接的新竹民生科技大学，伊在学校内底是有半导体人才培育的基地。除了安排相关的课程以外，也让中东的学生去到台积电、到工研院来参观。
来自阿曼的学生为做伙，专心听老师教安怎操作机具。这几年，台湾伫半导体产业发展受国际上的肯定，每一国拢希望来学台湾的成功经验。这是头摆有中东地区国家组团派学生来学经验。
The Taiwan now is the leader company in semiconductor. But we learn that about semiconductor process. But the most thing that I want to learn is how to design and, in general, more all the process.
Actually, when I decided to enjoy this because I want to learn more about semiconductor technology, because I believe this is a field it will be very important in our future to make our life better and better. And I think that Taiwan is the perfect place and country for this technology.
除了学生以外，各阿曼王国当地负责 IC 设计工程师或专工来上课。
As we know, that globally the workforce has a huge demand in the semiconductor sector, and Oman can play a key role in the MENA region, Middle East and North America. And that's why I think Oman can be a semiconductor hub industry by collaborating with the companies.
负责教学的民生科技大学指出，学校所建立的半导体人才培育基地，内底有完善的专业设备。除了阿曼以外，嘛互别只国家拢想要派人来学。
我们有一个非常完整的实作场域，学员在这边真的可以动手操作这个机台了解这些机台的动作原理所以他们呢很高兴至少在回国之前，每一个人都有一个自己动手打线封装完成的IC晶片，包括像上周是越南，这个星期是阿曼王国那未来甚至柬埔寨马来西亚，其实每一个国家都已经感受到半导体其实是一个国安问题。
除了有专业课程，学校也安排引起新竹科学园区、台积电、工研院这单位参观，除了学习也深化交流。希望台湾唔但伫半导体生产有领导地位，伫培育半导体人才方面也当在国际上做头。记者杜君和新竹报道。